What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another short video for you guys, and this video is going to be about the airlift, the airbag system I put on the 4Runner here. As you guys can see, we're getting ready to go camping for the weekend. We are loading up the 4Runner. We are loading up our trailer here, and what I'll do is I'm gonna air up the airbags, because right now I already have them they've been about 5 pounds since the day I installed them. And what I'm about to do is I'm gonna air them up to 35 pounds, and then I will be loading up everything, water, the mini bikes, everything we're gonna need on this. And we're gonna see how this feels, or before we even drive it, I want to see how much is going to sag with everything loaded up. So here we go. I'm going to air up the airbags to 35 pounds. Okay, so I have my air compressor hooked up. Everything is ready to go. I'm going to air them up now to 35 pounds. And as you can see on my gauge here, it says about 5 pounds. So I'm gonna turn the compressor on, and they will inflate to 35 pounds. 20. I'm gonna do 30, right about there. 30, about 30 pounds. And if I need to inflate them more, I will do that on my first fuel stop. I just want to see how this is gonna feel with 30 pounds, and that's it. Okay, so guys, I will give you another update once I'm on the road driving this thing where we're gonna go out camping, and I'll let you know how this feels. And hopefully it's gonna be the right quality. Is gonna be a lot better than before. So stay tuned for an update in a little bit. All right, guys, this thing is fully loaded. As you can see, I have my generator, my fuel tank, my fuel can up there. This thing is full. So you can look back here too. I got all my tools, I got everything I need. I even loaded a little bit of firewood, because I'm sure where we're gonna go is gonna be like wet or snowed in. This thing is fully loaded. The mini is right there. And seems like those airbags are doing amazing. It's sagging just a little bit, but not as much as it was before without the bags. In here I have the other mini and chairs, shovel, things. But this is just to give you an idea how it looks. Fully loaded. Look at that. It's amazing. I love it. Without the bags, this thing would have been about another 2.5 inches or 2 inches lower in the back. I'm so happy. All right. So far, so good. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it on the road. We're about to leave now. I'm gonna take it on the road, and once I'm on the road, I'm gonna give you another update to let you know what the ride feels like. Hopefully it's not gonna be too stiff, but we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted once I'm on the road. Keep watching. All right, guys, I'm on the road now, and I'm driving the 4Runner with the trailer behind us, and the bags are fully inflated, just like I mentioned before. Everything is loaded, everything is super heavy, and the ride is a lot better. It's a little stiff, but not that bad, and it does not sway back and forth all over the road. Before it was doing that. So far so good, and it's not sagging that much. Maybe an inch. Before it was a lot more. I'm gonna keep on driving, and I'll give you another update as soon as we get to our camping site. Everything should be normal. Everything should be better than before. So I'll keep updating you guys. All right. So for now, we're heading up to our campsite. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. All right, guys. I've been driving for maybe 20-25 minutes, and so far so good. This is a big improvement from what it was before. But I have a quick question for you guys. I'm getting 9.3 miles per gallon when I'm hauling the trailer around. What is your MPG when you guys are hauling stuff around on your 4Runner? I'm curious to find out, because this is what I'm getting. Let me know, please. Okay, guys, we arrived at our campsite, and I'm gonna show you what this looks like right now. We just parked here. It's completely snowed out, everything. So, final thoughts about the Airlift 1000. It's amazing. I recommend it. It is so helpful when you're on the road. There was a couple of areas on the highway that the road was uneven, so it was a little stiff and bumpy at moments, but overall it's a great improvement from stock. And yeah, I am happy with the product. So this is the honest review. I like it. You should get a kit like this, because it helps you. It improves the ride quality, and especially it does not squats down as much. All right, guys, so this was just a quick review after the first test drive. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any more questions, if I didn't cover anything on this small review, let me know and I'll answer those questions. For now, we gotta get unpacking and setting up. See you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching my videos. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.